a construction company owner stared at an envelope containing $50,000 in cash. All he had to do was use cheaper materials on a school renovation. No one would know the difference. His business was failing. His family was counting on him. The money would solve everything, but kids would walk those halls every day. He handed the envelope back and called the authorities. Within hours, he lost the contract. His company was on the verge of collapse, but word spread about what he had done. School districts 3 counties away started calling. They wanted someone they could trust with their children's safety. 2 years later, his company was worth millions. The corrupt official was behind bars. Several dangerous buildings were torn down and rebuilt properly. His employees asked him how he knew it would work out. He said, "I didn't know it would work out. I just knew I had to sleep at night." One envelope changed everything. Not because doing right guarantees success, but because integrity builds the foundation that makes real success possible.